Hey everybody, wanted to share with you what I'm up to today. I have put away all my Christmas decorations and now my front door is screaming for something winter. And I want to share with you this little picture. It was a metal picture I picked up thrifting last year. I'm sure I paid 59 cents for it because it is a Dollar Tree little sign. These little signs like this are readily available at any little dollar store you come across this time of year. And I already had a pack of fuzzy sticks or pipe cleaners, whatever you call them. Dollar store, Dollar Tree wreath. And then I just went and picked out of my stash. You need 3 or 4 different types of ribbon. I got some burlap here, just some regular and some blue. I got a little gold satin ribbon, and I have some tulle here. So between the ribbon, I'm going to create these little bundles that I'm going to attach to my wreath form. And I'm just going to clip this wire, and I'll probably just use that wire and just wire at the top 2 holes. And then as far as my ribbon, I'm going to take all my ribbon and cut 18 pieces 6 inches long on all the ribbon that I have. Okay, so I just have my picture wired onto my frame and tucked in my corners. Your picture may be different, but I just want a picture to be tucked in like that. So now I need to cut my ribbon. To cut my ribbon, I just found an envelope that was 6 inches to use as my guide, and I'm just going to start pulling out my ribbon and cut it approximately 6-inch pieces. Now, as far as the tulle, you have to cut that a little different. I'm just going to pull out a big strand, a couple yards of it, and you kind of cut that all at once. When I get through cutting my ribbon on this one, the gold one, I'm going to fold it in half, cut it at an angle, and create a ducktail on a couple of my ribbons. That always looks pretty on a wreath if some of your ribbon is ducktailed. Let me show you how I got my cut ribbon laid out where it might make more sense than just watching me cut like a mad woman. But I have, I'm going to make 18 bundles. I'm going to make 9 plain burlap and 9 of the blue chevron because I didn't have enough of the blue chevron. I got some sparkle tulle, blue tulle, and the gold satin. And I'm just going to make some little layered bundles, and I'll show you how that's done. And I cut my 9 pipe cleaners in half. Super simple. I'm going to take 1 layer, put the sparkle tulle on there. I'm going to put 2 layers of the blue just because I have lots of extra. I'm going to take my gold satin. And there's no right or wrong way to scrunch it up. I just kind of do it like this so that my gold ribbon on the top looks a little better. Just hold it with my finger and do a couple twists. Let me show you where I'm at now. I got all my bundles done. Some bundles look better than others, but I promise you, once it gets on the wreath, it will all blend in. Okay, if you happen to get a Dollar Tree wreath form, that is certainly the best buy out there. These are about $5 at Walmart, so if you can, get one from Dollar Tree. But as you can see, they are broken up into 6 sections and put 3 of the bundles in each section. But since I'm using 2 different kinds of burlap, I'm going to alternate mine blue and plain, blue and plain. Is take this middle section right here, and that's what I'm going to tie my bundles on. And just work around. All right, I've got all 18 bundles on the back showing you. Now, when I get ready to flip my wreath over, I don't want you to think that the wreath is done because it's not. What you need to do is hang it where you're going to put it permanently, and that's when you need to tweak your little bundles. And what I mean by tweaking is, twist and turn them a little bit, slide them up and down. What you're trying to do is to hide these little pieces of wreath wire that you see. Once you get it where you want it, it'll pretty much stay like it is. Right now, it still looks a little disheveled looking. In the morning when it's light, I'm going to hang it on my front door, kind of fix my little bundles, and then I'll show you my finished wreath. All right, friends, it is the next morning here. I'm here at my front door, and you can see my wreath a lot better. May tweak it a little more, but love the look of it. I love the burlap and the shimmery. It just all coordinates with the little metal picture that I had. But just another example of how economical you can create something just using scraps, or even if you went out and bought everything, it would be between $5 and $10. And it would cost you quadruple at a craft show. So I hope you'll take this idea and it'll inspire you in some way. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.